Here is the part most people miss. A 100K loan usually does not come from one lender saying, "Sure, here is a giant bag of money." It is more like filling a big tank from several taps. Personal credit, income, lender trust, and business credit each add water. If you turn them on in the wrong order, the tank leaks. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Build a strong personal credit profile. Document income and lower debt ratios. Establish relationships with multiple lenders. Transition to business credit effectively. Understand the importance of application order. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Personal credit profile. The full story on your credit report, not just your score. Aged credit. Credit accounts that have been open for a while. Income documentation. Proof that your income is real. Debt to income ratio. How much of your monthly income is already used to pay debts? Lender relationship. A history with a bank, credit union, or lender before asking for bigger credit. EIN. A tax ID number for a business. Trade line. An account that appears on a credit report. Business credit. Credit built in the name of a business instead of only in the owner's personal. Now let's jump in. Before lenders care about the big number, they look at your story. Your credit report is like a school report card for money habits. Late payments, collections, charge-offs, and high card balances can make the story look risky. Step 1 is not begging for approvals. Step 1 is cleaning, aging, and calming the profile so it looks stable. Credit is not just a score. Credit is a risk profile. That means lenders ask, if we lend money, how likely is this person to pay us back on time? A 720 score with thin history may still feel shaky. A lower score with old accounts, low balances, and steady payments may tell a stronger story than people expect. Now picture applying for a car loan while your paycheck is full, your bills are low, and your bank account looks steady. That feels safer to a lender. Income documentation means proof of real income, like pay stubs, tax returns, or bank statements. Debt to income ratio means how much of your monthly income already goes to debt. Lower is usually better. A lender relationship is like being known at your local grocery store. If they see you come in often, pay on time, and act steady, you stop looking like a stranger. That can mean checking accounts, savings accounts, secured cards, starter credit lines, or small loans. You are not trying to trick the system. You are building trust before asking for more. For bigger funding, the business may need its own credit story. That starts with an EIN, which is a tax ID for a business bank account, and trade lines, which are accounts vendors report under the business. Done right, the business begins to borrow as itself, not as a fake person, not with fake income, as a real business with real records. Applying everywhere at once can backfire. It is like opening 10 new phone plans in one weekend. Lenders may wonder why you suddenly need so much credit. Inquiries are credit checks. New accounts can lower your average age. A planned sequence keeps the story calm. You apply when the profile is ready, not when panic is loud. The 100K method is not a weekend trick. It can take months, sometimes longer, depending on your starting point. But that is not bad news. It means you can work the steps, clean the report, lower balances, document income, build bank ties, add business credit if needed. The tank fills faster when the taps are turned on in the right order.